We recently stayed at the Argo Inn in Idaho Springs, Colorado. We were there for a wedding for 2 nights. The room was clean, it was a good size. We did have a very nice view of the creek, and this is Clear Creek. We saw some rafters. We saw quite a few rafters during our stay there. There was a balcony, as you saw. Bed was comfortable. Nice desk area. The bathroom setup was a bit odd. There are 2 sinks outside the bathroom. I think the bathroom was retrofitted a bunch of years ago. This bathroom, again, the setup was weird. If you'd like to use the bathroom by yourself, you had to go all the way in so you could shut the door. And you can see the toilet is off to the side. There was a shower. A large jacuzzi, which I'll talk about in a couple of minutes. And again, I think this was retrofitted, Lord knows when. Clean. Okay, the jacuzzi we had issues with. When I turned it on, it sprayed water all over the place, even though I didn't have the jacuzzi on. When I turned the water on, it sprayed. We did get it filled, and then it wouldn't drain, and it looked like it was going up, up, up. I think that it was automatically on, and that's why it sprayed. We had to go down and get someone to come up because I was afraid we were going to flood. We had to go down twice to get someone up because they didn't seem to want to come up. So this was a real not great point for the room. The outside, the room was a little pricey. We were there for a wedding. There's not a whole lot of choices there, so it's about $200 a night, which I thought was pricey. It had a beautiful outside. You could walk down to the creek and watch the rafters. They had some cute statues. Gravel, the lot was gravel, but it was fine. There was not an issue. There was enough parking. There's a little convenience supermarket right across from the hotel, which was convenient. It's a beautiful town.